Hello guys, welcome to the new video of Zita Site Builder. I am Anurag. Here we will build an online cosmetic shop. We will build the website within 2 minutes. To download Zita Site Builder, go to wpzita.com and click on free download. Let's get started. Click on create my website. Now choose a page builder that will help you customize the website later. Here you can choose a category for your website. You can unlock the premium designs by upgrading the site to the Pro version. You can create multiple websites using this Zita Site Builder. Now choose the design for the website. We have to build a cosmetic shop. Here is our design. This is the demo of your website. You can go back by clicking here to choose another design. Otherwise, click on Continue to proceed further. After checking these points, click on Build My Website. This may take time to build your site. Click here to customize the site, and to view your website, click here. The website is looking great as we have seen in the demo. To customize the site, go back. Click on Customize. It is opening in Elementor, because I chose Elementor earlier. You can make any customization here smoothly. Here you can add, edit, or remove a section. You can pick a background color and image also. You can insert some designs like shape dividers. There are various customization options to try in order to enhance the website. After customization, update the site and go back. Go to your website. We can customize the site from here also. Click on Customize in the top left corner. It will help you to make global changes. To change the logo of the site, go to Site Identity and click on Change Logo. Now upload your logo. The logo has been changed. If you have any tagline, write here and check this box to show the tagline. You can customize the colors from here also. Just go to the total color and BG options. You can choose separate colors for the background and theme. There is a section to add the custom CSS. After all changes, click on Publish to save the changes. As this is an e-commerce site, the users can compare 2 or more products with a click. This is the option to add the products to the cart. To view the products in the cart, click on this icon. That's how you can get ready a fashion store website within 2 minutes with the Zita Site Builder. Thanks for watching.